Now, is management an art or a science? So sabi dito, management is both an art and a science. Ayan. So, di ba, kinunclude natin kanina that management is the foundation of agribusiness. So, let's think about this naman. So, yung management naman, it is a science. Kasi, asa na yan? Ayan. Management is science kasi, di ba, dun sa previous slide, sabi natin, management is both an art and a science. So, ito naman, this will give us a perfect and a practical example of the science aspect ng agribusiness. So, sabi dito sa example, the field manager is confronted with problems dealing with material things like crop production failure. This situation would allow him or her to use systematic methods in analyzing the problem to come up with a rational solution or use generally acceptable techniques to solve the problem. So, ibig sabihin nito, kapag yung field manager is nagkaroon siya or naka-encounter siya ng crop production failure, hindi naman sila dyan manghuhula lang kung bakit nangyari yun. Siyempre, i-approach nila yung problem systematically. So, gagamit sila ng mga principles na natutunan nila from science. So, ano bang ginagawa nila? They will observe and they will collect some data. For example, they will take soil samples. Aralin nila yung weather data. Titingnan nila yung irrigation records. Ayan. Minsan may hypothesis din sila. I-analyze nila yun through their knowledge on, let's say, the agronomic knowledge nila. Ano pa ba? And gagawa sila ng decision. And yung decision to cope with the crop production failure, galing yun sa rational na pag-iisip. It's a systematic solution. Ayan. So, it's science-based. That's why management is a science. And it is also an art. So, when we say art, sabi dito sa slide, when situation, factors affecting problem are beyond the manipulation of the manager, such as problem dealing with people, like interpersonal conflicts, to which the manager may be required to address the issue as an art by using more of his qualitative judgment. So, hindi lang tayo always, when managing, hindi lang tayo always nakabase sa scientific analysis, scientific reasoning, but also based on our own judgment, based on our own intuitions, or yung mga feelings natin. So, tulad ng for example, when we handle people, diba, kapag may mga conflict sa mga tao natin, or ganyan, syempre, yung manager or yung management, kailangan nila makinig, kailangan nila negotiate, kailangan nila i-resolve yung conflict. So, it is an art. Kasi syempre may negotiation na nangyayari. May pag-manage ng crisis na nangyayari. So, management is really an art.